In the name of Allah who is the most beneficent and merciful. Students, आज हम आर्टिकल डिस्कस करने जा रहे हैं एप्लीकेशंस ऑफ डायमेंशन एनालिसिस. So there are two applications. One is to check for checking the homogeneity of the equation. That's called principle of homogeneity, and the first one is for the derivation of possible formula. And today we will discuss the principle of homogeneity. Look at the definition here. In order to check the correctness of an equation, we are to show that the dimensions of the quantities on both sides of the equation are same. This is called the principle of homogeneity of dimensions. I mean, writing the dimensions of the quantities on both sides of the equations, if they are equal, then the equation is dimensionally correct and it is called principle of homogeneity. So इसको एक एग्जांपल से क्लियर करते हैं. लुक एट दैट. लेट्स सपोज वी हैव द इक्वेशन इज v इज इक्वल टू एफ एल ओवर m स्क्वायर रूट. सो दैट इज द इक्वेशन वी हैव स्टूडेंट्स. सो टेक द लेफ्ट साइड and it is the velocity, and writing the dimensions of the velocity, and it is lt minus 1. So that is the dimension of the velocity. And now we are taking the right hand side, and it is fl over m square root. So writing the dimension of the force, and we all know the dimension of the force is mlt minus 2, and the dimension of the length is capital L, and the dimension of the mass, and it is capital M. So M is cancelled and we get L square t minus. So if we you have to take the square root as well. L square t minus 2, M is cancelled, L square t minus 2, and it is the square root of that. And finally you get lt minus 1 square, and you will take the square root of that, lt minus 1 square, and it will be equal to lt minus 1 dimension. So students, look at again here. V is equal to fl over m square root. So taking the left hand side is the velocity. The dimension of the velocity is lt minus 1, and now taking the right hand side, it is fl over m. So the dimension of the f is mlt minus 2, L is as it is, and capital M. So M is cancelled and we get L square t minus 2 square root, and lt minus 1 square square root, and square root they are cancelled out, and we get lt minus 1. So students, left hand side is equal to right hand side. What it shows? It shows that the above equation is dimensionally correct. Equation is dimensionally correct. So that is the case here, students. So the above equation is dimensionally correct, and it has proved. And now taking another example, students. We have the other example is example number 2, students. We have the Vf is equal to Vi plus at. So that is the equation here. So writing the dimensions on both sides of the equation. Writing the dimensions on both sides of the equation. And if we write the dimension on both sides of the equation, the dimension of the final velocity is the velocity. So the dimension of the velocity is lt minus 1. And similarly, writing the dimension on the right side is the initial velocity. The dimension of the velocity is lt minus 1 plus acceleration. The dimension of the acceleration lt minus 2, and the dimension of the time is capital T. So look at again here. So we have the equation is Vf is equal to Vi plus At. That is the first equation of motion, and we are checking that it's dimensionally correct or not. So writing the dimension on both sides of the equation, we have the final velocity is dimension lt minus 1, the velocity initial velocity its dimensions are lt minus 1, and similarly the acceleration lt minus 2, and T is capital T. So students, LT minus 1 is equal to LT minus 1 plus LT minus 2 into T. You definitely get LT minus 1. So it is a T minus 2 plus 1 is T minus 2. So LT minus 1 is equal to 2LT minus 1. So 2 is the constant. So स्टूडेंट्स 2 इज़ द कांस्टेंट और 2 की स्टूडेंट्स डायमेंशन नहीं होती बिकॉज द कांस्टेंट. सो इसलिए आप ये कह सकते हैं कि एल टी माइनस 1 इज इक्वल टू एल टी माइनस 1. सो द डायमेंशन ऑफ बोथ साइड्स ऑफ द इक्वेशन दे आर इक्वल. सो दैट्स व्हाई द इक्वेशन इज dimensionally correct. So the equation is dimensionally correct. So students, that's about homogeneity principle for checking the correctness of an equation. So students, that's about the homogeneity principle. Thank you all students.